slaughter. To kill many animals or people. The story showed a terrible slaughter. The war led to much slaughter. Augment. To increase or add to something. They want to augment their income. He used tools to augment his work. Atone. To make up for a mistake. He tried to atone for his actions. She worked hard to atone for her mistake. Perseverance. Continuing even when things are hard. Success comes from perseverance. Her perseverance helped her win. Uncanny. Strange in a surprising way. She has an uncanny ability to guess answers. The place felt quiet and uncanny. Defamation. Saying false things to harm someone. He was accused of defamation. The case involved defamation claims. Demarcation. A line showing a boundary. The demarcation line divided the land. There was a clear demarcation of areas. Demean. To lower someone's respect. He should not demean others. Her words demeaned his efforts. Denigrate. To criticize unfairly. He tried to denigrate her work. They denigrate others to feel better. Asylum. A safe place or protection. He asked for asylum in another country. The building served as an asylum. Atrophy. To become weak from not being used. Muscles can atrophy without exercise. His skills began to atrophy over time. Attain. To achieve something. She worked hard to attain success. He hopes to attain his goals. savvy, smart and knowledgeable. She is tech-savvy and learns quickly. He is a savvy businessman. Astounding, very surprising or amazing. Her performance was astounding to watch. The result was truly astounding. Flourishing, growing or doing very well. The business is flourishing now. Plants are flourishing in the garden. Nimble, quick and light in movement. The cat was nimble and fast. She used her nimble hands to fix the toy. Mellow, calm, soft, and relaxed. He has a mellow and friendly nature. The music was soft and mellow. Quaint, old-fashioned but charming. They visited a quaint little village. The shop had a quaint look. Robust, strong and healthy. He has a robust body. The system is strong and robust. Deliver, to bring or give something. He will deliver the package today. She delivered a strong speech. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.